Hello YouTube, you're welcome to this video. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video as long as it's of help to you, and I also encourage you to watch it to the end. I always produce very short videos. I just want to show you the first steps that you should take after you've installed a Laragon into your computer. So by default, Laragon comes when it doesn't have PHP My Admin, which we actually all use for managing our databases. So what you do is after you've just installed Laragon, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to search for PHP My Admin, download the latest and the greatest version. For me, I've actually downloaded version 5.0.4. so what I'll do is let me extract it and go to C etc apps. I have my PHP My Admin here. It has been extracted. I'll copy it in here, and to make sure that it works, I'll have to delete languages all and 5.0.4 and the hyphen. After doing that, I go back to my Laragon, right click on it, MySQL, PHP My Admin. That's cool. Another thing that you have to do is Laragon by default comes without a password in MySQL. Always set up a password in your MySQL. How do you do it? Just right click on it, go to MySQL and choose change root password. So it's telling you must first stop the running MySQL. So let me just click stop here. After doing that, right click here, MySQL, change root password. Since I'm developing apps on my computer, I just prefer to have it as root. Alright, so, and also another thing that you might need to do is because by default Laragon has a few frameworks installed, and therefore let's try to add a few more of them. So right click on the screen, go to quick app and choose configuration. So I already have this setting somewhere I saved, so you will notice that when you put a bunch of hyphens like these ones here, let me put it for example here, let me just make sure it is tidy, and then I go back to Laragon and try to right click. There will be a horizontal line after blank, and between WordPress, actually I also want Joomla to be here because sometimes I do Joomla apps, so I just uncomment that. I also want PrestaShop. PrestaShop is for making online stores, so quick app, I see that they're here. So Drupal, I also want Drupal 7. That is cool. Yes. Laravel, yes, I have Laravel. That is cool. I could also have different versions of Laravel. Let me just do it here. Let me first put those hyphens, and then I want to put here hash and say Laravel old versions. Let me say old and dev. Okay, so I said just going to uncomment this, uncomment this, and uncomment this. So when I go to my Laragon, right click quick app, I'll see that all these have been added. So I have the latest and the greatest version of Laravel, and the older versions are here. I have Symfony. You might also want PHP. Most of these things are already here. But then now I'm also a developer with CodeIgniter, so you might ask me, so how do I do CodeIgniter apps? Where do I go to get it? So I'm going to leave for you. The code in the description. So I actually like putting it before Drupal here. So let me just do this. Let me have these hyphens up to here. So I'm going to put it here. I already have that saved somewhere in some text file. So I have Ye framework. I have, for now I want CodeIgniter 3 and CodeIgniter 4. So I'll copy this. Let me paste it here. So when I check in my Laragon, right click, quick apps, I see I have CodeIgniter here, CodeIgniter 4 and CodeIgniter 3. You might also want to do some apps with Ye framework. I also have that code here. I'll put it in the description for you to be able to copy them. So Ye framework. Let me put this after Symfony. Down here, we have these dashes, and after, so when I right click here, quick app, so I CG, basic key, advanced, all the settings that I've put are right there. So I'm ready to use them to create apps. And yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. If you have reached this extent, you've seen this video up to this level, I'm really so happy. Thank you very much for supporting my channel. Your views are very important to me and I love you so much. Thank you for being there for me. You might also want to contact me privately for anything, for a project, for help. Let's say, for example, you're a university student and you have a project and you're having trouble. Get in touch with me free. I can give you free help. You'll find my email in my channel's description. Just subscribe and send me a message or comment below this video. I will get in touch with you and we shall share contacts and I'll be able to help you free of charge. No payments involved. I just do it because I love IT, I love tech, and I love helping. Have a great time, everyone. Thank you.